Hello, I am Dr. Srikanth V. I am a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I practice both at Manipal Hospital and at Clinique Belle. Extra fat on the hips. Yes, I am sure all of you have seen certain people with excess fat on the hips. Why does this happen? This is basically because the way we are all built. It is a genetic and ethnic propensity to put on fat on the hips. Now, this propensity in some people get exaggerated and more fat is deposited in and around the hips, giving them to what is known as a saddlebag deformity. This gets exaggerated over time, and whenever we put on more weight, it seems to appear that only fat is accumulated around the hips. How to treat this? The best way to treat this is to undergo a surgical procedure known as liposuction. A liposuction is a procedure where a small hole is made. Some amount of medicines are infiltrated into the tissues to make it easier to get sucked out, and using a fine cannula, all this fat is sucked out. The skin need not be removed. The skin is allowed to shrink. The advantage of this is that there are no scars and the skin shrinks gradually over time, over 3 to 6 months. This can be repeated in case that there is a very excess amount of fat. This can be repeated again after 3 to 6 months so that you get a nice shapely body shape.